If your Draper Luma 2 screen isn't retracting, there is a common issue and simple fix. Most likely, when pulling the handle to retract your projection screen, you may not be pulling hard or far enough to release the locking mechanism. These spring roller systems require a deliberate downward pull to disengage the lock. If the screen is stuck in the down position, give it a controlled, slightly stronger pull to re-trigger the release. Once the mechanism disengages, guide the screen upward for a smooth retraction. If issues continue, please contact your dealer or Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.